Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have got an exciting review lined up for you. Top 5 Redtiger Dash Cams. So if you're looking to upgrade your vehicle's safety system or just want some peace of mind on the road, this video is for you. So buckle up and let's dive in. Redtiger F9 NP4K Dash Cam. This front and rear dash cam is featured with a 4K and 2.5K full HD camera for cars, an included 32GB card, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, a 3.16-inch IPS screen, and night vision. Night driving has also become less worrisome thanks to its superior night vision capabilities. To reduce the blind areas, this dash cam has a front wide angle of 170 degrees and a rear wide angle of 140 degrees. This helps you during unexpected circumstances like collisions to retain and present evidence. The Redtiger F9 NP Dash Cam also includes parking mode, a built-in GPS, and records the driving route, real-time speed, location, etc. With the Redtiger app and easy Wi-Fi connection, you can control the dash cam using your smartphone. View, playback, download, or share recorded videos with great convenience. Redtiger F9 N-Touch Screen 4K Dash Cam. Redtiger 3.18-inch touchscreen dash cam captures your drive journey in stunning 4K UHD resolution with 170-degree wide-angle view for the front dash cam and 1080p FHD resolution with 140-degree wide-angle for the rear car camera. With WDR and HDR technology, the enhanced Super Night Vision ensures better visibility even in low-light situations, providing you with reliable recordings day and night. It features voice commands, allowing for hands-free control of your 4K car camera, which enhances safety by minimizing distractions. Equipped with a built-in G sensor that detects sudden impacts, the Redtiger F9 N-Touch dual dash camera automatically locks and protects the associated footage when an event is detected on the road. Secure your accident footage for insurance claims. Redtiger F9 NP front and rear. The F9 NP is a dual-channel dash cam with a 170-degree front camera and a 155-degree rear camera to minimize blind spots. Our dash cam can monitor the front and rear of the vehicle simultaneously, providing 4K plus 1080p video and audio, ensuring details such as road signs and license plates are clearly displayed, and also protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. The dash cam can be connected to a smartphone via Wi-Fi, and it is easy to view, play, and manage through the Redtiger app. It also has a GPS function to record driving routes, real-time speed, and location. The loop recording function allows continuous recording, and the G sensor can automatically lock and save collision videos. Redtiger F9 Dash Cam. It is a universal car dash cam with FHD 1080p rear and 4K Super HD front cameras that include 32GB cards and max support 256GB. The Redtiger F9 Dash Cam front and rear camera captures in-depth footage while driving thanks to its f1.5 aperture, excellent night vision, and 170-degree wide angle. The F9 dashboard camera is relatively easy to set up, and I love that it comes with an SD card already, so you don't have to go out of your way to get one that works for the camera. This dash camera for cars can record even while parking with a 48-hour parking monitor, which keeps the automobile secure. Redtiger F9 NS Car Camera. F9 N Dash Cam records top-quality video up to Ultra HD 4K resolutions with Sony Starvis sensor, which helps you read the key details like road signs, vehicle number plates, etc., and offers better defined details. Besides, a backup car camera with a 170-degree wide-angle lens ensures to reduce blind area and capture more scenes on the road. Mounted to the inside right of the mirror, so it doesn't interfere with normal visibility. The rear camera is also great in addition to the car's rear view camera. The front dash cam, equipped with an f1.5 large aperture and 6 glass lenses, captures important details clearly under low-light conditions. Plus, with the professional WDR and HDR technology, It automatically adjusts the dash camera exposure and ensures the clarity of images even at night. So, which Redtiger Dash Cam caught your eye most? Let us know in the comments section, and feel free to share this video with anyone who might be looking for a budget-friendly 4K dash cam. Stay tuned for more content, and until next time, drive safely out there.